Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Mimi J, and it's just life. I've been planning to start this channel for a couple of months. This is a mixed bag today. It's a Dollar Tree haul. I had hoped to do a DIY, but it needed spray painting and the weather did not cooperate. It's incredibly humid and hot here today, and it's just been raining off and on all day, and so it's probably doing the same thing where you are. This is an idea that I got from Kelly Barlow of Kelly Barlow Creations, and first I did it back around St. Patrick's or Easter because that's what her video was for. It was for decoration for that. And then I wanted to switch it out recently because, you know, you don't want that up all the time. People will think you're strange. So I love the wall decorations, but I don't actually want to put them on my wall. So I put it on here. I don't know if you can see the lights. They're real pretty at night. And this is really true to the DIY I saw, and that was made by a Cozy Casita, and just some flowers there. It's the heart shaped with the mirror. Okay, I'm gonna let that fall. Just let it go, let it go, let it go. For the Disney fans. And it's got some trashy stuff in it now, but you can't really see that. And I put some of these. These did not come in the bag. That was something I didn't find till yesterday. I've been looking for 2, 3, 4 maybe months. These were the ones that came with a little light, and so I put them down here. So this is just that candlestick that we all love to use in our DIYs. One of the little silver trays that they have in their party section. See, yeah, I'm glad that happened. I am glad that happened because I was going to tell you, don't trust the adhesive on these little diamond bling, the diamond bling wrap. Don't trust it. You're going to need to, and I'm going to have to go back and do it. You're going to need to use, I would recommend the E6000. I guess you could use the hot glue gun if you wanted to. But it's sprayed inside with that mirror paint. This makes it look like mercury glass. And then I did come around like she did, and her name is Liza, I think, and it really is pretty. I would caution you to be careful of the paint. I did several coats of the mirror finished, I think it was just Krylon spray paint, and it looked good, but I did put a sealer on it too, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's a place up at the top near the back when it got kind of peeled off a little bit because I was fidgeting with the diamonds and trying to glue some down that had come loose. So be really careful with the diamonds, be careful with the paint job inside, but I just think it turned out so pretty. It turned out like hers. The only difference was I used different flowers. Hers probably looks better because they sit down more. They're the little rosebuds, and they sit down more so you can see the shape of the heart better. But I didn't want to do exactly the same thing, excuse me. So I tried the lilacs. These were the lilacs. They come in white, purple, blue. I saw some blue today, but I didn't get them. And they come in a purple and white, which was real pretty. I would say this haul is from 3 different Dollar Trees, and maybe over, I've been hauling for a while. but I think probably over the last 2 weeks primarily. So yay, I found the and sign, or the ampersand. I believe it's called an ampersand. Pretty. This one is silver. They did have the gold, they had the white, they had the at symbol, and what else? Today's haul is this little canvas art. I guess that's it. I don't know. I don't know if you're getting swept away by the royal wedding, Prince Harry, Meghan Markle. I don't know. I would love to be there. I'm not really somebody who follows the royals all the time, but the weddings are so fabulous. I'm like, they're just so pretty to watch. So, what else did I get? I found the hello. Hello. Very pretty, and I like that. I found some stencils on a stencil wheel. It's got a lot of really cute. It's got palm trees and shells. It's a beach themed one. Excuse me. I'm a little dry. Oh, this is Lily. Lily, say hi. Lily. There she is. Lily. Say hello. Okay, I got some glitter. More DIY stuff. Various shades. And, you know, I like little things of glitter because a little glitter goes a long way. If you're a crafter, you know exactly what I mean. I found the bags. They had them all. They're so cute. And I know you've seen those before, so we're not going to take too much time with that. Got this keychain. These dish towels are just adorable. If you can find something like that at the Dollar Tree and pay $1 for it, I'm happy to display that, use it, or gift it to someone. This one says, a cup of coffee shared with friends is time well spent. I like that. And this one for our house, definitely, when I saw it, I could not leave it behind. Love is a four-legged friend. So cute. And this one was my favorite, so I got two. One to give, one to keep. Kiss the cook. My dad used to say that. My dad actually did like 90% of the cooking in our house when I was growing up. He was a cook on a Navy ship in World War II, and he was in the South Pacific. Miss him all the time. Okay, I got 3 things here that I know I want to use in a DIY, and one of them, I did pick up some batteries today from the Dollar Tree, and I have heard mixed reviews on those, but I got some because, you know, they were $1 for 6. So I got one of these LED lights. I'm going to use this and this, which I'm sure you have all seen, the little pencil holder office paper please. I got several of these, and those 3 items plus a couple others are going to go in a DIY. But look how cute is that. And I got this garland, the 4th of July stuff. I don't do much decorating for 4th of July, but a little bit. I got some multicolored paper clips, like those, and I got a Spidey. Here is something I have to show you because I have never seen them in the Dollar Tree before, although people use them all the time in their DIYs. I won't keep you in suspense any longer here. It's these. It's the little rhinestones that I got little cards. And oh, here's something I have never, ever seen before at any Dollar Tree, and I've been to quite a few around here. These are the pages that go in those small notebooks, so that for stamps. Some people use them for stamps, and you can use them for other things. But I was so excited That's what it looks like, by the way. You get 15 of them. They are called sheet protectors. They're made by Jot. They're 8.5 inches by 6.6 inches. Hopefully they fit in those. Has anybody tried them? I'm guessing they do. And they're top loading. Sweet! How sweet is that? I never expected to find this. All right, just some of the paper that they have. I have to get this. You've probably seen this. They're showing them on the front. I don't know that I need to, but I guess, sure, why not? There are 30 sheets of that, and that's for those of you who do pocket letters. That's a nice buy right there. Got a basket, so I like to get at least 1 or 2 baskets so I have something to put all my stuff in, and more of the Disney and the Spider-Man napkins. I have to show you these because I had never seen them. And I'd seen them plenty in DIYs, but never in a store. And I was beginning to think they were a myth. So I wanted them so badly, I ordered a box. And it came in, I don't know, maybe a week ago. And so I have DIYs to do with that. But hello, these drawer thingies, I found 2. I found 2 at a Dollar Tree. So they're not a myth. They actually exist. And so I have a dozen plus 2. I found these. I have seen them hauled on ClassyCrafting&Parcels, I think is her name. I'll try to link her channel too, if I can figure out how to do that. I love these. I saw them on her channel and they look like wood, and she's in Canada, so I thought, oh, we'll never get those. We got them. Sweet. Here are 2 of the pads. Don't you love Dollar Tree stationery? How great is that? That's so cute. And you always need a notepad. When do you not need a notepad? Plus, again, these are going to be goals. This one says #goals. And this one says, do not forget. Like that. So again, they make great gifts. Last item, okay, second to last item I want to show you from the Dollar Tree is this Oreo cookie cookbook. Oreo sweet treats. I already made one dessert, which is an Oreo pie. We call it that. It's so good and it's so easy. Koozies, I think, are what you call these. I love this. It's silly, but I still love it. I started out with nothing, and I still have most of it. Truer words. And this did not come from Dollar Tree, but Oscar Wilde said, and these things work so well, I can't get it off. Oscar Wilde said, be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. All right. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I am gonna try, if the sun's shining tomorrow, I've got something to spray paint, to do a DIY. I want to finish these, and until next time, and I hope you like my channel. If you do, please subscribe, and if you hit the bell, then you'll get notified every time I upload one. So you'll get notifications. All right, thanks. Bye. Happy Friday. Take care.